As is the norm, we are going to add our clarified butter. Once it melts, we go in with our onions. Cumin for the flavor, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute these around also. If you have cumin seeds, they would be much better. Add in some black raisins, saute them around, and then go in with my rice. There's still the argument of wash rice, don't wash rice. Guys, please do what you want. See, imagine me, I'm doing what I want. You can also do what you want, and we will not beat you at all, at all, at all. You want to mix the rice together with the spices and the butter and the onions for at least a minute. This is going to help the rice stay separate and also be able to absorb most of this flavor. Once you're done and everything seems absorbed, you're going to add in your water, increase the heat. If you have stock, go on ahead and use stock. We are going to add in our seasoning cubes. Of course, they are not so enough, the salt in them. I'll just go on ahead and add some extra salt. Mix it properly. Taste. Yeah, that's good. Cover and let it steam until all the water has been absorbed, and then serve and enjoy. Cabbage and sausage. If you haven't seen or watched this recipe, go on the next recipe or the video below.